I've come down to this place, Juices for Life, and this is a cafe basically. Amazing peri peri, half chicken with some rice as well. Look at that. Nice garam garam. You can see the dua shua, pina colada. Colado. Hello, Assalamualaikum, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, Kem Cho, Majama Ka Sakai, Marhaba, welcome to Danish Vlogster. So guys, today I'm in Birmingham on Coventry Road, Small Eat, and the reason why I've come down here, guys, you must have heard a lot about recently, there's a lot of things opening up in Birmingham especially. So I've come down to this place, Juices for Life. They've got another branch just behind there. This is a cafe basically style. That one more of a juices and all that other stuff like cakes and all that. But this place, they also do food as well. It's like a cafe. So you know what? I thought let's come down, let's check this place out. देखते हैं कि इनका खाना कितना मजे का है. साथ में juices भी हो सकता है try करें और cake भी try करें. So let's not delay. Let's go inside. Let's check this place out. तो फिर चलो मारे ना. Hey guys, welcome back. मैं जी आ चुका हूँ Juices for Life, and like I said, this is their new branch, which has just opened up. The other one is more of a juices, fresh juices. If you want any like milk cakes as well, I think they do that as well. I don't know. There's quite a lot of things they do. I haven't actually been into the shop. I know I did once order juices, so I really enjoy the fresh juice. So that's definitely worth it to go down there. I think this is they don't do it here. They do like different type of juices, milkshakes. They do something like mocktail, which I've ordered. Pina colado. Colado. I call it colado, doesn't matter. It's a colado, whatever. What I've also ordered, amazing peri peri, half chicken with some rice as well. And with that, you get pasta. ये देखो जी, तो पास्ता भी मिलेगा, राइस भी मिलेगा और चिकन भी मिलेगा, ठीक है? और साथ में जी चटनी आए. I got my chutney here as well. It looks like chutney to me, yeah. So can't beat a chutney with the rice especially. So let's not delay. Bismillah. और हम जी start करते हैं rice and pasta. What I'm going to do, just a quick one. Start off with the pasta. In fact, I need a fork for the pasta. ठीक है? Pasta try करते हैं, ठीक है इनका? Let's try it out. Cheesy तो नहीं लग रहा. So this is the chicken pasta. कीमा वाला pasta खाया, chicken वाला बहुत कम खाया. Got a little bit of cheese in there. Oh yeah, nice and garam. Look at that. ठीक है? Let's get that first bite. Bismillah. Similar to when we make at home, जब हम कीमा पास्ता बनाते हैं, उस तरीके का चिकन पास्ता है. So, healthy. If you want pasta, you get that on the side with it. Got a lot of protein in there. So all the gym lovers, all the people that exercise as well, you guys can come down and get that pasta. This is the main thing I'm here for. Ooh, this looks massive, man. Look at that. It's half a chicken. I don't even feel like breaking it, but look at that. Nice garam garam. You can see the dua shua, dua shua nikalna pe. Look at that. So what I've done, I went for a spicy. I told him to spice it up a little bit. As you know, I love my spice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm a Yarasi Pakistani. We don't use knife and fork. I'm just gonna get that bite, nice and hot. Nice soft chicken. So it's been cooked well. Let's try it out. Grilled well as well. Not overly grilled. Masala on it, hot sauce on it. Let's try it out. Bismillah. تھوڑا نینڈو کی فیلنگ آ رہی ہے. Them days, Nando's used to be a big thing. I don't know now, but it's got that flavor. So yeah, chicken's good. If you love your Nando's, you're gonna love this. So what I'm gonna do, got chutney here. پہلے ایسے ٹرائی کرتے ہیں. چٹنی, a little bit of chicken. Yeah, there you go. And then rice with some jalapeno, whatever you call it. There you go. Bismillah. Actually nice, you know, with the chicken, rice. تھوڑا بہت ہوم میں پاکستانی اسٹائل بنایا ہوا ہے انہوں نے. Even though I think it's more of a Arab, but I think they made it in a Pakistani flavor type آ رہا ہے, جیسے ہمارے پاکستانی لوگ بناتے ہیں نا. Maybe the workers are Pakistanis. Homemade type. So everything's made, freshly made as order. I've seen it because you can see literally the kitchen behind. They're cooking it, so it's right in front of you. But nice. I enjoy that more than pasta. What I'm gonna do? Mocktail company, pina colada. Let's try that. Non-alcoholic, just to let you guys know. Have a sip of that. This is one of my favorite flavor. I don't really have it all the time, but yeah, every now and then when I get a chance, I do go for it. So it was a quick review, guys. I think, mashallah, the item that I've ordered, peri chicken with rice, like I said, हमारे घर के style के homemade chawal or chicken, more of a Nando style flavor. I spiced up a little bit. Told them to spice up a little bit with the Nando type flavor. It's nice chicken cooked well, grilled well. Pasta is decent. But I prefer the chicken more and the rice. So as I said, come down, see, they do other stuff as well. They do cakes, milk cakes. They got like baklavas, cheesecake as well, salad stuff as well. So fruit, salad, healthy stuff basically, yeah. So yeah guys, اتنا سارا کھانے کے بعد جی میں نے جی ڈیزرٹ کھایا. ڈیزرٹ میں یہ جو تھا ملک کیک ہے ان کا, لوٹس ملک کیک, ٹھیک ہے, بڑے مزے کا تھا. اس کے ساتھ جو ہے یہ چاکلیٹ والا تھا. اس کے اوپر بہت سارا انہوں نے چاکلیٹ وہ پیسٹ سوس ڈالا ہوا ہے. اور میرا فیوریٹ جو تھا وہ تھا پسٹاچیو والا. یہ دیکھیں اس کے اندر جو مزے کا کریم لگا ہوا ہے, ٹھیک ہے. یہ دیکھیں میں نے آدھا کھا لیا کیونکہ ٹک ٹاک کے لیے میں نے ویڈیو بنائی. بٹ ماشاءاللہ ان کے ڈیزرٹ بھی ہے, تو اگر آپ آئیں ضرور ان کا ڈیزرٹ بھی ٹرائی کریں. سو کم ڈاؤن, چیک دس پلیس ایٹ جوسیز فار لائف. میک شیور یو سبسکرائب, share and like on my YouTube channel Danish Vlogs. Make sure share it around to your family and friends. And all I'm going to say for now is take care and Khuda Hafiz, and I'll see you on the next one.